If you've been searching online for a genuine Hostinger coupon code, this quick Hostinger review will show you the smartest way to get the deal. Right now, Hostinger is running special pricing across all of its plans. When you open the link in the description or scan the QR code on screen, you'll automatically get 20% extra discount, plus 3 additional months. In this Hostinger review, you get fast website speeds, a free domain, free SSL, daily backups, Lightspeed servers, and the Hostinger website builder, which helps you create a professional site very quickly. If the prices don't appear in your country's currency, simply click the flag icon in the top right corner of the page and choose your country. The pricing updates instantly. Hostinger is frequently listed among the best web hosting services, so if you want a Hostinger coupon code, get the 20% extra discount and 3 extra months, just click the link below or scan the QR code.